Okay, I'm still not ready to show the internals of this, but I am at least showing the fact that I'm doing testing. I'm doing real world testing. It's hanging on a scale. I'm not going to bring it around and show you the internals, but I do want to at least show you that I'm still doing the test work. It's loud, it's noisy, it's messy, but we're still at it. Soon I expect to have some serious results showing up. Till then, talk to you later.